Okay, so now we've got some glue on our neck heel and inside the neck pocket. The next thing to do is clamp the neck to the body. So we don't need to protect the top of the guitar here, but I do have a small section of timber just underneath the body protecting the underside of the guitar. Now I'm going to use 2 clamps here, and that will distribute the pressure from the clamps evenly. The other thing, don't be too concerned. Obviously we're trying to minimize any issues, but don't be too concerned if some glue escapes once you're tightening those clamps. We'll be inspecting the body next and cleaning and removing any glue stains from the binding and the veneer top. If we look on the side here,